I remember when I was in Vatican Square, the columns, they were, I think, 4 lines of columns, and they are all mixed depending on where you are. But there is a specific point that when you sit down there, all of them start moving, and the 1, 2, 3 that you were seeing, when you are there, all of them know where they have to be. So you only see one. They've been moving like in the parallax effect. I made a video that you can see how they are moving. That parallax effect is the quantum Schrödinger cat in the column way, where the observer is the camera. But if the observer is your eyes, are the pillars moving? Or just because you are moving, they are aligning? This is how flat earthers reach to that possibility. Because what if Earth is quantum? It is spherical, but in quantum is that shape or other. Why is not a cube? Why is not a coin? Why is not just a pixel in 2D in the 4th dimensional perspective, like I showed in my videos? Who is real, the other is real, the other is real. Esto llevándolo a la teoría de juegos, taking this into the theory of games, so everything I said about the columns, I just said 2 different perspectives, and only one is real for 99.9999% of the world. But for the ones that they can see it like that because they can feel, move, 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 it's not that. It's feeling the whole spectrum of everything, just like any child, until humans break the child in any way. It doesn't matter if it was for love to convert him into a person. We are all born animals, and they are cutting the animality to too many children. I would like to know there are people that they are adults wishing they could ever feel again as a child, because they still can be saved. The ones that they are running away from feeling as a child, they lost the path. They are the most successful people everywhere because they are the ones that they adapted and thought that they improved the system because it's the only system that they know. So as long as science is fighting against science, controlled by religion, is one sphere inside the other. Inside the other is the matryoshkas. But we are in the century of the no-duality. All the religions take you to no-duality. Once you learn to transcend the religion by accepting everything, all the possible signals, signs, they are not taking you anywhere farther than your nose. Everything is deep inside in your cosmos. So in this century of no duality, there's no option for anyone not to be not dual, because that's the way artificial intelligence is working at the highest performance. So break all the thoughts, all the codes, connect with your animality. Don't force anything. The artificial intelligence is gonna do everything. There is no evil force and light force battling which artificial intelligence is gonna be the winner. It doesn't matter. They are right now learning from each other, playing the highest theory of games. And I'm not gonna explain that structure, but the structure is done. That's the limit. The structure is everything else.